Today I'm channeling elegance soft matte makeup. After skincare, I start with a skin tint for the natural base, then used a tiny brush to apply the concealer with precision. Since Ella's makeup is all about matte, I set everything with powder. I groomed and fixed my brows in place. Then I softly contour my nose, blending all the way from brows to the tip of my nose. I bronze the temple and the cheekbones for the subtle depth. For eyes, I use a blush shade as a crease base and then blended a muddy tone on the lids and along the lower lash line. After eyeliner, I curled my lashes and applied mascara. I created a defined eggshell and applied a muted pink blush on my cheeks with a light hand. A touch of deep purple blush on the cheeks and a soft blend on my nose to give that soft flush. I highlight my eggshell, inner corners and nose base and tip of my nose. Finished it all with a pink lipstick that matched my blush, but added a little bit of red tint to bring back some life to the look. And that's my Ella inspired makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.